Ciao YouTube, I'm the Kaz and this is the Kaz Does, the unconventional DIY YouTube channel. This is the first video of the Kaz. In this video, I will guide you through 4 tips that will help you find your den. So let's get into it. If you are a maker as I am or DIY passionate as I am, I bet that you will done your maintenance job on your car in the street. Or maybe building some kind of things in your garden. Or worse, in your dining room, so that your girlfriend, your mom, or your wife will get really mad. So this video is about passing from this kind of situations to this kind of situation. I will give you then 4 tips that will help you out to reach your workshop, your den. But before, let me tell you something about me so you can understand how I got these tips. I live in Rome, the eternal city, and as all the big cities, renting a garage, even a single one, could be very expensive. Not even talking about buying one, because in some place of the city it will cost even 100,000 euro. Jeez, so it's too much money. So through the years I found some ways to reach this goal. So let's get deep in these tips. So tip number 1, co-working and fab labs. These are places where you can find machinery, tools, materials, and you can use it with other people's for creating your project, building your stuff, just by paying a very reasonable monthly fee. The cons of this place that maybe, it's not your own place, but the pros is that you can find passionate people as you are, with whom you can share whatever you want. So be sure to be kind and be sure to share, because share is a key of knowledge. I know that. I know that. Sharing moves us to the next step. Self-managed occupied social center. I don't know if this type of structure or places are even in the US or North America, I don't know, but in Europe you can surely find. These are places that have fallen into disuse and people converted for other activities, social activities, repairing activities, whatever. And so maybe you can find there a spot where you can build your creation. Usually for your own spot, you need to present the project and you need to be part of the community, participating to meetings, maybe having a cleaning shift or some kind of like that. But it could be even that it will be free, or maybe paying a very, very little amount of money to get into this place. So it will be a good choice, maybe, if it's for you. For what is my experience, a good tip is renting and co-renting a spot. What I mean with this, you can find maybe a workshop, a bigger workshop that you can sharing with other people. You can even find this type of space in a near or closest town where the rent fee are quite low. So you can just decide to rent a bigger space and then share it with other people for keep expenses low. This is a good choice. You should think about it. And now the last case, you're lucky enough to already own a workshop. But it could be that maybe it's not usable because full of stuff, it's a garbage garage or something like that. Be patient, be tough, start cleaning it up, and let it be your den. Now for the hashtag, what do you suggest? This is my first video, so for me it's really important to have comment from you guys that will say to me what they will be changed, what they will done different, or whatever. I will try to reply to all of you guys. Now if you like the video, thumbs up. If you want to see how I will keep building my own workshop, what will be my den, just stay tuned in the channel and be sure to subscribe, ring the bell for further uploads, and ciao from the Kaz.